Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be sowing ACHILLEA summer berries F2 hybrid. These take between 1 and 3 months to germinate. So what I'm doing is putting in the same tray that I've got some agapanthus in, because they both take similar times to germinate. So once your seed trays all done and levelled out, get your seeds. I'm not using all these because it says that there's 40 seeds, so I don't think I'll need all these. So, as you can see, absolutely tiny. So go, shall we? Let them all out. Get to every nook and cranny. Don't waste any. And then we need to cover them. Multi-purpose compost or fine grade vermiculite. I want to buy some vermiculite, but I haven't got any at the moment, so I'm just going to cover them with a fine layer of compost. These are first year flowering, so it should be great. You can see, beautiful colour. So once they're covered like that, into the sink, like so. I always give them a little spray, just to make sure they're wetted all the way through. Once that's done, I'll put them on a windowsill with a plastic cover over the top until they germinate. So that's ACHILLEA, first year flowering, hardy perennial. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like, click subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye.